Number 1. Extremely quiet and strong garage door opener. With virtually no vibrations, lifetime motor. Includes rail for 7 feet or 8 feet door height, full installation kit included, secure rolling code technology. Home link compatible, new design with integrated LED technology. Top quality cycle, tested up to 125,000 cycles. Safety advanced, object and force detection, system automatic, locking and counter, pressure in case of an attempted break-in, powerful 800 Newton 0 horsepower, 25 HPS delivers the highest lifting force in the industry for effortless lifting and reliable performance. Capacity in the category for superior performance in extreme conditions. Superior range includes 2 3-button remote controls that let you control up to 3 openers. Exclusive tri-band technology boosts remote range up to 1,500 feet for a quicker entrance and exit. Number 2. See your garage in a new light corner-to-corner lighting. Smart garage opener features 100 lumens of LED lighting to fill your entire garage. New free-in garage delivery with key by Amazon, available in select areas. Check eligibility at Amazon.com. Key Prime members can opt in to get Amazon packages securely delivered right inside their garage. Simply link your MyQ account in the Key by Amazon app. Smart garage control. Open and close your garage door from anywhere with your smartphone through the MyQ app. Max lift power system 1. Number 3. Smart garage door opener comes with built-in MyQ technology to keep you connected and protected. Open, close and know the status of your garage door from anywhere with a smartphone with the MyQ app. Battery backup ensures safe replacement ins and outs even during power failures. Radio frequencies 310, 315, 390. Ultra quiet and strong belt drive, steel reinforced belt drive, and constructed with high-grade materials for years of reliability and quiet. Smooth performance, perfect for attached garages. Powered by Chamberlain's Max Lift power system, the B970 delivers lifting force equivalent to 114 horsepower, the highest lifting capacity. Number 4. Strong and quiet, the StealthDrive Connect Smart Garage Door Opener has a 114 HPC DC motor that is paired with a steel reinforced belt drive, making this garage door opener perfect for garages that are attached to bedrooms and or nurseries. Smart garage system compatible with Alexa, Google Home. The built-in Aladdin Connect technology allows you to monitor, open and close your garage door from anywhere with your smartphone. New features allow you to use the StealthDrive Connect Smart Garage Door Opener to operate the garage door with voice control using the Aladdin Connect skill for Alexa or Google Home. Number 5. Easy installation, featuring non-polarized wiring, making installing the wiring error-free. Handles sectional garage doors up to 7 feet tall and 18 feet wide. 8-foot extension is available to accommodate larger doors. Accessories included 3-function wall panel, 2 3-button remotes, free wireless keypad, auto reverse safety system. Easy installation, featuring non-polarized wiring, making installing the wiring error-free. Handles sectional garage doors